this frigid Sunday from Cleveland Hopkins International Airport. We got a Gulfstream inbound here on runway 24 right. Got a little bit of snow last night. Otherwise, we are in the low 30s here. It's been a little bit since we really got up here with the weather and everything going on. So weather, a lot of family things and work. So glad at least be able to get up here today. Weather's pretty nice. Thank you all for being here. United Airlines Flight 486, 737 heading to Denver. I think I'm going to be bouncing around on my memory cards today. Brought the P1000 up to do some bird watching. There's a bald eagle flying around. Try to splice that video together and get some of the pictures. Got a couple that look okay. Haven't been up all week, just a lot going on with work, and the weather hasn't been the greatest, so unfortunately we missed Air Force One. They went into Pittsburgh on Friday. We had some pretty snowy, kind of crappy conditions, so I didn't go up that way. But we'll keep an eye on him. I'm sure that he'll be here soon for the election. Frontier Flight 1472 A320 inbound from Phoenix. If you missed the announcement earlier this week, Frontier announced several new routes. Savannah, Georgia, Myrtle Beach, New Orleans, Salt Lake City, Houston, among the routes they've already added. They added 10 new routes to Cleveland Hopkins this summer. Looking forward to that. The Pensacola, Florida flight, that is one I'm really looking forward to. We're going to go down there and check out the Navy Museum. We got the Air Force Museum here in Ohio. So I'm going to go down and check out the Navy Museum and check out the Blue Angels practice while they're down there. Got a very loud United 737 taking off. United Airlines 2226 inbound from O'Hare. So yeah, 737-900ER. Wearing the Evo Blue livery as the clouds begin to roll. It was really pretty a few minutes ago. Starting to cloud up now. I was going to watch a Daytona 500 this afternoon, but I got rained out in Florida today. It's supposed to warm up to the 50s up here later on this week, so we'll definitely get back to kind of a normal plane spotting routine this week. Thank goodness. United Airlines Flight 2156, 737-800 inbound from Tampa. The airport, we got an ambulance and a fire truck heading out. I didn't hear an emergency, so maybe they're heading over to the terminal. Alaska Airlines Flight 216, we're back to Flight 216, 737 inbound from Seattle. here watching. Said their grandson is on this flight today, coming home. Pretty cool. American Airlines Flight 2336 inbound from Dallas. The ambulance and fire truck both went over to the terminal. Got two bald eagles flying around. Hopefully they don't get hit by this American. They're right over the kind of the center part of runway 24 right. At least they were a second ago. They might be high enough though. Yeah, they're still up there. I see them. Citation inbound. Coming in from, I don't know. It's not listed on Flight Radar 24. I believe this weekend is Drake's concert here in town, so we'll be looking for Air Drake, his custom 767, to come in at some point this week. Looks like the snow brigade is heading back out. Maybe part of the ramp or something needs clean. I'm not really sure because we haven't had any snow for a little bit. We had some last night, but the runways and everything look like they should be pretty clean, so not sure what they're doing. Maybe going out for some practice? I don't know. We've only had a couple of snowfalls this year. Really, it's been colder, I think, than last winter was, but we really have not had that much snow.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
The connection flight 4136, E175, inbound from Detroit. American Eagle 5553 inbound from DCA. Finally got a little bit of sun. Oh yeah, check that out. Little golden hour plane spotting here in Cleveland. Got the first air show of the year booked. We're going to go to Charleston, Joint Base Charleston, South Carolina, for the air show down there in April. At least that's the plan as of right now. Not too far from some family that we got. And that's the Boeing 787 factory. So hopefully we'll see the Dreamlifter while we're down there. Got a few other air shows we're looking at. That's a little bit different than a list I have on my Instagram. But definitely make sure you check out my Instagram page as well at Nick Flies Media. Frontier 1722 inbound from Sarasota. That's a beautiful light we had there for a second. I should have taken a photo instead. I mean, I don't really do anything with jet photos or airliners.net, but I mostly do videos. I don't get too much that would probably be up to the level that they would require, but maybe someday we'll do some more photography. Do a little bit of bird photography, but not so much with airplanes. I probably should start doing a little bit more. But I like doing a video. The video's more what I like to do. I am trying to get more into astrophotography, though. Maybe later on this year. We shall see. Getting inbound from Fort Lauderdale. Or 99, it's a SkyQuest Learjet inbound from New Orleans. Southwest Airlines Flight 1020. It should be the Spirit of Hope inbound from Nashville. Got a Frontier Ward to Beaver heading out. A320 Neo. Speaking of Frontier, we got another one inbound. This one is inbound from Fort Myers. .4587 E175 inbound from JFK. right, that'll do it for tonight from Cleveland Hopkins International Airport. We're going to get home, get some dinner, and get ready for work tomorrow. I'm going to try to get up here again tomorrow. We'll see what the weather does. If not, then Tuesday or Wednesday for sure. We'll also keep an eye on Air Drake to see when that comes in later this week. If you liked the video, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button down below, comment down below, share with all of your friends. Follow me on Instagram and TikTok as well if you haven't done so already. And I hope you have a great rest of the weekend. We'll catch you next time from Cleveland Hopkins International Airport. Have a great afternoon, everybody.